Hello and welcome to our Idiom in a Minute course. My name is Hanaa Said. Let's get started. Today we are gonna talk about this idiom. Can you guess? Perfect. An arm, a leg. Yeah. This is our idiom. Cost an arm and a leg. What does it mean? Extremely expensive. An arm and a leg means a lot of money. This is our example. The car had cost me an arm and a leg. Quiz time. Fill in the blank. This dress costs me space. Your answer is splendid, an arm and a leg. Complete the sentence. These shoes cost me space. Your answer is brilliant, an arm and a leg. Let's recap. Do you like my new bag? It costs me an arm and a leg. Perfect. That means extremely expensive. Until next time, keep learning.